Hello and welcome to Saurashtra's classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from reasoning ability. Reasoning is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination as we know, and this is the most toughest one also, as it contains the most conceptual complexity in it and it requires uh, your full conceptual clarification. And to score high in this portion, the only way to score high is rigorous practicing. Okay, so let's start with this problem. This problem is basically a seating arrangement problem. In this type of problem, we are given a scenario, and based on that scenario, we need to draw a seating arrangement diagram. And based on that diagram, we are going to solve some of the questions about the scenario. So let's start with the scenario. 8 persons age I, J, K, L, M, N and O are standing in a straight line at equidistant places. Some of them are facing north while others are facing south. Okay. So we have 8 persons and they are standing in a row. Some of them are facing north and some of them are facing south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. M is standing third to the right of H. Suppose H standing in that position and M is standing at one of the extreme ends. Suppose M is here, therefore H must be in that position. Okay. L is standing third to the left of H. L is standing third to the left of H. The immediate neighbors of J face north, and N is not an immediate neighbor of H. The immediate neighbor of J uh, J face north, okay, and N is not an immediate neighbor of H. The person standing at the extreme ends face the same direction. So if M is standing at north direction, then in the extreme end at left hand side, the one who's standing in that position is also facing north. The immediate neighbors of H face just opposite direction as that of M. Therefore, the immediate neighbors of H are facing south. We do not know now that uh, whoever the immediate neighbor of H must be facing south. The immediate neighbors of O face opposite direction with respect to each other. Okay. One of the immediate neighbors of L is K, who is facing north. Suppose K is standing at the left hand side of L and he is facing north. Okay. And I is standing between J and M. I is standing between J and M, and M, uh, J and M, not more than 4 persons are facing north. Now let's check this portion again. The immediate neighbor of J face north. Immediate neighbor of J face north. Therefore, H and I are facing north. The immediate neighbors of J face north. N is not an immediate neighbor of H. Therefore, the position of N is second to the left of H. The person standing at the extreme edge are facing same direction. Okay, the immediate neighbor of H face opposite direction as that of M. Therefore, immediate neighbor of H, This is done. The immediate neighbors of O, therefore the only position that remains is for O, and the immediate neighbors of O face opposite direction with respect to each other. Therefore O and H are facing opposite directions, and we already have 4 of the north facing persons. Therefore L and N are facing south. So this is the required sitting arrangement. Now let's start with the first question. Who among the following is third to the left of N? As we know from palm rule that if we place our palm at the direction of N, then uh, if we place our hand at the direction of N, then the palm directing the right hand side and the other side directing the left hand side. Okay, then we are to find that who among the following is third to the left of N. Third to the left of N is J. Therefore third to the left of N is J. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see the next question, that is question number 85. The immediate neighbors of L are K and N. 86. How many persons are standing exactly between I and O? There are 2 persons, H and J. Okay, sorry, the fourth option is correct one for the question number 3. Now let's see the fourth question. Who among the following is to the immediate left of H? The immediate left of H is O. Left, this is right, therefore immediate left of H is O. Okay, four of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on the above arrangement and hence from a group. Okay, and which of the following does not belong to that group? We have 5 persons, N, L, O, J and K. As we can see from the picture that N, L, O, K and J, among these 5 persons, only K is facing north and all the others are facing south. Okay, therefore K is unlikely one among this group. Therefore the correct answer is option 5. So we have solved all the questions corresponding to this sitting arrangement scenario, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about reasoning ability and especially for sitting arrangements, then you can join our classes. Feel free to WhatsApp us in these two numbers 9836793076 and 9874822756, or you just can check our website, which is www.sorosclasses.com, for further details. Thank you very much.